For week 6, Sabrina's skin is stable, resilient, and free from active eczema flares, allowing me to introduce needleless microchanneling using EpiStep's EpiPen device. This treatment uses 850 solidified hyaluronic acid pyramids to gently stamp microchannels into the skin without needles. This creates controlled pathways that stimulate collagen production while keeping the treatment non-inflammatory and well tolerated for compromised skin. I begin with a gentle gel cleanse, followed by the same enzyme exfoliation introduced in week 4, ensuring controlled preparation without barrier disruption. Next, I perform an epidermal infusion with a hydrating tip, supporting moisture delivery before channeling. I then apply recovery serum first, reinforcing cellular signaling and calming before introducing actives. These little spheres in here, once I put the serum onto the skin and these make contact with the serum, these melt and dissolve into those channels that we've created. The EpiPen device is used dry, stamping over the skin. The hyaluronic pyramids dissolve as the peptide serum is applied, allowing key ingredients to penetrate through the microchannels. This peptide serum contains humectants such as glycerin and propanediol to attract and bind water, niacinamide to support ceramide production and barrier strength, and panthenol to soothe, hydrate, and assist barrier repair. After infusion, I apply a sheet mask containing niacinamide for barrier restoration, beta-glucan to form a protective, hydrating layer, and Centella asiatica to calm inflammation and support healing. The treatment is finished with microcurrent, followed by recovery and booster serums, barrier renewal cream, eye cream, and broad-spectrum sunscreen to protect the skin. I removed the sheet mask, the microcurrent, and that serum had already penetrated into her skin. I went in with the finishing products for an eye gel, and then a barrier renewal cream, and then a sunscreen, and she's done.